Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's MISys tips and tricks video. We want to show you one of the least frequently used tools available in MISys, which is our production schedule. If you go to your production menu, the first submenu there is your production schedule. And if you select this submenu, you will notice it pops up a Gantt chart. And the Gantt view for options, you have orders, items, shop operations, and customers. Current selection is orders. This view allows you to list all the manufacturing orders on the left-hand side rows and then display in a calendar view, which can be zoomed in or zoomed out, depending on at what scale you want to see things. And it allows you to see all the manufacturing orders within that time period. This probably is more useful when we look into a more specific time zone, maybe a couple of weeks, just like this one. And each bar here on the Gantt chart represents a specific manufacturing order that is identified on the left column because we have selected order number as our Gantt view. And if you hover over any of the bars, it will give you some of the important information about that specific manufacturing order. The manufacturing order is MO1026. The item is FG1001. The description of that item is protein bar chocolate. The location that this MO will be built is location 01. Priority is normal, and 200 has been ordered and 0 has been completed. This production schedule will only show released manufacturing orders. Inactive and closed manufacturing orders will not be displayed here. So this allows you to normalize your schedule based on your manufacturing capacity. You can actually grab this bar and move it across the time horizon, and this will make the changes inside the manufacturing order in terms of start and completion dates. Right now, I have moved it to Wednesday, and if I actually click on to the bar itself, it will first ask me if I want to save the changes to the schedule. I click yes. It allows me to drill down into that manufacturing order by double clicking on the bar and notice that the dates have been changed. 8/26 is the Wednesday, and it is automatically uh, made the change by moving the bar within the time horizon here. So the other options that we have here is looking at it by items. Then on the left side rows, it's the item numbers displayed and any other manufacturing order that is being created to build that specific item. Obviously, there will be possibly more than one row. So you'll see some rows being taller and some rows being skinnier, depending on how many manufacturing orders are within that time period. And if there are more than one that fit into the same timeline, they will be fit in to be there. If they are conflicting in their schedule, there's going to be a different row created for that. And finally, here I can look at customers, and it seems that I'm serving only one customer here, and all of my manufacturing orders are for that. The shop operations is a lot more detailed version of looking at your schedule, and it requires for you to have shop operations, shop floor control, and routing steps in your bill of materials. And that is not within the content of today's video. I hope this helps you use MISys more effectively.